Got fruit? Shop at Bash's' and pay 97 cents per pound for Honeycrisp apples. Fry's has Fuji apples and navel oranges for 77 cents per pound. And Albertsons has 6 ounces of blue and blackberries for 97 cents each. That's going to save you more than $3. For meat, Food City has bone-in pork sirloin roast and boneless chicken leg meat on sale for 87 cents per pound. Albertsons has more choices. Pay 97 cents per pound for Sanderson Farms split breasts, drumsticks, thighs, leg quarters, or whole chickens. For drinks, Albertsons has a digital coupon for 2-liter bottles of 7-Up, Coke, and Pepsi for 77 cents each. Safeway has a digital coupon that'll get you $3 off Maxwell House, Pete's, and Signature Select coffee. Pay just $3.99 each. And Fry's is offering 30% off any 6 bottles of wine and spirits through Sunday. There are so many more screaming deals, and I have them all on our site. Go to abc15.com/smartshopper.
Around this time of year, too, we like to remind people, don't forget to look at your grocery stores for some holiday shopping. Fry's has a whole page, and it's all 40% off goodies for Christmas.
Ooh, okay.
So really check that out so you can save some cash.
Different from your standard grocery fare at Fry's.
Good tip.